Our today's question comes from Organization Design Level 5. Question on your screen. Discuss, with the use of examples, the importance of situational analysis to organization design in the tertiary sector. 20 marks. Situational analysis is the process of studying a company's internal and external environment to understand its strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. SWOT. In the tertiary sector, which includes services like education and healthcare, situational analysis helps create effective organizational designs, which are the structures of roles and teams. This essay discusses 5 reasons why situational analysis is important for organizational design in the tertiary sector, with examples. Firstly, situational analysis identifies strengths. It shows what the organization does well, guiding design to use these strengths. For example, a university like Harvard uses analysis to highlight its strong faculty, designing teams to focus on research excellence. Secondly, it reveals weaknesses. Understanding internal issues helps design solutions. For instance, a hospital like Mayo Clinic finds long patient wait times through analysis, designing new staff roles to improve service speed. Next, analysis spots opportunities. It shows market trends, like demand for online learning, shaping design. For example, a college uses analysis to add online courses, designing flexible teaching teams to meet student needs. Moreover, it highlights threats. External risks, like competition, guide design changes. For example, a bank like Barclays uses analysis to note rival digital services, designing IT-focused teams to stay competitive. Finally, analysis aligns design with goals. It ensures structures support strategic plans. For instance, a charity like Red Cross uses analysis to focus on disaster relief, designing volunteer teams for quick response. In conclusion, situational analysis is vital for organizational design in the tertiary sector by identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, and aligning designs with goals. Examples from Harvard, Mayo Clinic, colleges, Barclays, and Red Cross show its importance. Tertiary sector organizations must use situational analysis to create effective designs that improve performance.